Hello everyone, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Today, we will learn about the normal resistance range of single-phase capacitor fans. A customer has inquired about why the single-phase capacitor fans did not run after being powered on. What is the normal resistance range of single-phase capacitor fans? Today we will test the resistance values of each circuit of the single-phase capacitor fan without connecting a capacitor. Take ebmpapst R3250R50001 for example. The fan leads to a total of 4 wire switch include the yellow-green ground wire P, blue 5 wire L, black neutral wire N, brown winding wire Z. The internal winding wiring diagram is as follows. Steps for resistance testing. Firstly, measure the resistance between the L and N terminals of the main circuit, which is 34.2 ohms. Next, measure the resistance between the L and the terminals of the auxiliary circuit, which is 36 ohms. Finally, measure the resistance between the Z and N terminals of the complete winding circuit, which is 70.2 ohms. Total circuit winding resistance equals the sum of main circuit winding resistance and the auxiliary secondary circuit winding resistance. After correctly connecting the 5-mov capacitor according to the wiring diagram, the fan operates normally once powered on. Have you got it? Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.